Keeping a close eye on your forecast. A cold front tracking through the Midwest and setting its sights on us. A bumpy start to begin your Tuesday is possible. I'll be breaking down all those forecast details coming up.
Is looming.
Rain is looming.
Yeah.
It's on the way. Also, I mean, today it feels out of whack since we're so warm and humid out there, not quite feeling like November, despite that we're talking about all the holidays that are right around the corner. Instead, we're going to be feeling like we're about a month or two behind with those temperatures maxing out in the upper 70s and the lower 80s. But we have that cold front on the way. We can start to see it just tracking through Oklahoma, Texas, about to make its way closer towards Arkansas and Louisiana, bringing a lot of heavy rain, and that's what we're going to be experiencing heading into tomorrow. Now take a look at those temperatures. Look at that sharp contrast between Dallas and Houston. We're looking at those temperatures really to be about 17 degrees different there. Really that sharp contrast just between that cold air behind it, and you can even start to see some of that blue just closer towards Kansas, Nebraska, and Colorado. Now our temperatures, that's what we're expecting in the wake of the system by the end of the week. We just have to get through today, and especially we have to get through tomorrow. Now temperatures out there going to be out of the southeast around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Expecting some of that increased cloud cover later on today. Temperatures staying mild in the mid-70s, but then what we're tracking to begin your Tuesday, that level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. What that means is that the SPC is saying, hey, we could have some stronger storms heading into tomorrow. Really, that flash flooding concern, that's going to be the biggest thing that we're monitoring, because that heavy rain will start to move in early Tuesday, really closer towards midnight tonight, and then that flash flooding threat will be a concern. If you're driving out on the roadways, make sure that you leave early, because we are expecting problems for your early Tuesday commute. I'm going to talk more about your forecast details coming up in just a little bit. Chelsea. And also tracking the potential for strong storms here locally heading into tomorrow, and really that flash flood potential. The WPC, the Weather Prediction Center, highlighting our areas, especially closer towards Mobile, Baldwin counties in the Florida Panhandle. We're looking at the potential for 3 to 5 inches of rainfall in a very short amount of time. I'll be talking more about those risks and timing it out coming up when we come back. And taking a live view outside right now over downtown Mobile. Just starting to see some peaks of sunshine, some cloud cover out there. Temperatures resting in the lower 80s. It's warm and it's a little humid out there. But the good news, that cold front is on the way. I'll be talking more details on your extended forecast coming up when we come back. All together. Yeah, they have that one. Firehouse has that sandwich
They
too.
do.
Yeah, just come out with that.
They
Yeah.
do have it.
We got to try some of these.
I know.
On Studio 10. Give it the full taste test.
There we go.
Well, let's go ahead and talk more about your forecast. Just a reminder, right now is a great time to go ahead and download the Fox 10 weather app. That way you're staying updated on everything that's going on across the Gulf Coast. We do update these forecast videos for you daily. It even shows you some of those alerts. Right now we do have that coastal flood advisory in effect. We have those winds out of the south. The surf is rough out there, and we're only expecting to dump quite a bit more water out there heading into tomorrow morning with that flash flooding concern. As always, you can track along with any of the showers and the storms. Just starting to see some of those moving through the Midwest at this time. But also, if you do allow your location to be turned on with the app, it'll alert you if rain is on the way and give you that quick heads up that, hey, you need to head out the door sometime soon before you get caught in it. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to have a final look at your full extended outlook. For now, here's a live view outside from our Battleship Memorial camera overlooking downtown Mobile. A little gloomy out there. We'll be right back with 3 to know before you go.